celebrate special days. We celebrate different social, religious, and national festivals in India. Religious and social festivals differ from community to community and region to region. We celebrate national festivals all over the country. We celebrate the Independence Day on 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October, and the Republic Day on 26th January all over India. We celebrate the birthdays of great people as festivals. Buddha Purnima on the birthday of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Jayanti on the birthday of Lord Mahavira. Sikhs celebrate the birthday of Guru Nanak as Guru Purab, and Christians celebrate the birthday of Jesus Christ as Christmas. Let us learn about some other important festivals. The Teachers' Day. Teachers play an important part in everyone's life. Teachers show us the right path and groom us to become good citizens. They teach us to face difficult challenges of life. The Teachers' Day is celebrated to pay tribute to our teachers who dedicate a part of their life to impart moral and academic knowledge to their students. The Teachers' Day is a national function that is celebrated only in India on September 5th. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, our former president. He was an ideal teacher. Our government decided to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day to honor that noble profession. Did you know? Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Indian to work as a teacher at Oxford University in London. On this day, teachers and students go to school as usual. In some schools, the senior students teach all the subjects to pupils of lower classes. In this manner, they show their appreciation for the teachers. The Children's Day. We celebrate the 14th of November as Children's Day in the memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our country. He was a true friend of children. He loved them and kept them dear to his heart. Therefore, the children called him Chacha Nehru. Though he was busy as Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru found time to be with children. If there was anything that Nehru liked the most in his life, it was the time he spent with little children. On this day, we pay tributes to Pandit Nehru for his sacrifices, achievements in international politics, and peace efforts. School children organize cultural programs on the day. They sing national songs and stage dramas. There are many celebrations, including one at Teen Murti, where Nehru lived as Prime Minister, and one at the Parliament House. Teachers advise children to be patriotic and follow the footsteps of Pandit Nehru. Earth Day. Earth Day is the largest, most widely celebrated international event. Earth Day celebrates the Earth's unique place in the universe. It is the only planet in the solar system with incredible biodiversity. Most people celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April. In some countries, people celebrate it a month earlier on the vernal equinox. It is a day to think of the environmental challenges that we face and how to solve them. Protecting the earth is every person's and every country's responsibility. Did you know? On April 22nd, some 192 countries celebrate the World Earth Day. The main goal is to show support for the protection of the environment. World Health Day. April 7 has been chosen by the World Health Organization as the World Health Day. So, events and activities take place in thousands of cities, regions, and organizations around the globe for 5 days. Each year, the organization selects a key global health issue and organizes international, regional, and local events on the day and throughout the year to highlight the selected area. Did you know? The World Health Day was first celebrated in the year 1966 on September 8th. International Literacy Day. The United Nations or UN International Literacy Day is celebrated on September 8th to discuss educational issues. According to UNESCO, 77.4 crore adults are not literate. About 2/3 of them are women. About 7.5 crore children are out of school. Many children attend school irregularly or drop out of school. At the same time, literacy is a cause for celebration on this day because there are 4 billion literate people in the world. Quick sum up. Teachers play an important part of everyone's life. Chacha Nehru was a true friend of children. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th September to discuss educational issues in the world. Glossary. Path means way. Ideal means in the best way possible. Tribute means respect. Globe means the earth. Literacy is the ability to read and write. Billion means a very large number or amount. Mind map. Celebration of special days. International Literacy Day, World Health Day, the Teachers' Day and Children's Day.